And this is why this generation loves Dr. Pepper, which is #1 out of Sprite and Coca-Cola. Yes, you with the hoodie.
Do you know what's happening on June 6th?
June 6th?
Yeah, June 6th. Are you okay?
You know what? I will go find out what's happening on June 6th, but for right now, just stay here, okay?
Did the teacher just leave me? What's June 6th? What's June 6th? What's June 6th? I want the answer. Oh, I don't. What's June 6th? What's June 6th? What's June